Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
My board is visible to you all clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
We will wait one more minute and then we'll start the class. Okay. So, students, take out your notebook. Today, we are going to learn the addition and subtraction of the fractions. Comparison and conversion, ascending, descending, all done.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Take out your notebooks. Write add the fractions. And I already inform you that all the operation, whether ascending, descending, comparing, addition, subtraction of the fractions will come with the same denominator in your syllabus. Three 13 upon 19 plus 5 upon 19. Who will give me this answer? Please raise your virtual hand. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, the answer will be 18 upon 19.
Why the answer is 18 upon 19? I will say the answer will be 18 upon 38.
Ma'am, in that I have some.
Moksh. According to me, the answer is 18 upon 38. Am I right or the Moksh is right?
Ma'am, Moksh is right.
Why?
Ma'am, because denominators are same, so denominator will be same. The
Yes.
upper, the we don't need to plus it. We will plus the numerators.
You will place the numerator only. Write the 18 upon 19. You know why I asked this question? Because many of the students make the mistake here. And I want the confirmation from you all that are you all clear with this? Can you make a story problem on this?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, Vedant, you want to make a story problem?
Yes, ma'am, I can make a story problem.
Yeah, please. On same number of fractions.
Okay, ma'am. So there were 30. There were 13. There were 13 pieces of. There were 13 pieces of. There were 13 toys out of 19, and they added more 5 toys. So what will be the total?
Yes.
And it is a
No,
5. And,
no.
and the total will be 18, 18, 19 upon 18. No,
No, as
18
you know
upon.
that a fraction is a part of a whole, right? Suppose I give you one example. In a party, there were two friends. One friend got 13 parts because the cake was only divided into the 9 part. Party was the same party. Yes, there was a one party, birthday party, and the cake was divided into the 19 parts. One friend got 13 parts out of the total 19 parts, and the from the same total 19 parts, the another friend got the 5 parts. So if I add the cake of both the friends, friend A and friend B, So the total will be 18 upon 19. If I add their parts, suppose me and Manya, we both went in a party. I have taken 13 parts out of the 19 parts of a cake. Manya have taken out of the same 19 parts, she has taken 5 parts out of the total 19. So we both together take 18 parts and out of the 19 parts. And how much part is left now?
Ma'am, 1.
1 out of the, so you can say 1 upon 19 is left.
Okay,
Got
ma'am.
it?
I
Clear,
understand.
clear everyone?
Okay, ma'am. So, my
Fine. Huh.
5 parts from 19 only, 19 parts of the cake only,
Hmm.
and you took 13 parts from the cake.
Hmm.
That is like, and then we added that Manya and you ate it that much.
अगर हम दोनों के मिला के 19 हो जाता ना तो हम दोनों ने मिला के पूरा होल केक खा लिया,
Okay.
right?
Okay, ma'am.
But still we have eaten only the 18 parts we together. How much part is left? Still one part is left out of the total 19 parts.
Okay, ma'am. Now understand.
Tell me how you are going to add 5 upon 21 plus 10 upon 21. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 15 up. Ma'am,
21.
ma'am, 15 upon 20.
If
Ma'am,
your
15
answer is this, please write tick. Very good. Next Kevian will answer me. I request Kevian not to leave the class and not to switch off the camera. I request Kevian,
Yes, ma'am.
give me the answer of this 7 upon 16 plus 5 upon 16.
Okay.
7 plus 5 is what? You need to do calculation on the fingers and on the, you cannot do mental calculation.
12.
Yes. So what will be the answer?
12.
12 upon 16. So if I say 12 upon 16 part is used with the two friends, how much part is left with them?
6.
6.
6 parts are left.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
7.
4 parts.
Ma'am, 4.
4
So 4 upon 16 is left. But right now we are doing the addition only. But why I am asking the different questions so that you can think logically. Clear?
Ma'am, we have to put a tick compulsory or it is.
Better put with the pencil or a small tick with the pen also okay.
Ma'am, so
3 upon 17 plus 1 upon 17, Aradhya.
Ma'am, 4 upon 17.
Is he correct, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Put a right
Yes,
tick.
ma'am.
And if you have done, I want to erase it.
No,
Then we
ma'am,
will
but
do these.
yesterday I haven't put means tick.
Okay, but you are going to see from the notebook that you are aware the answers are correct. This is because of you only, children. When you see the notebook, when you like refer the notebook, what you have done in the notebook, you should be aware that your answers are correct. That is the reason I'm telling you to put a tick once you've done it. Rajvi Nikhare, very good, excellent bacha. Whatever you are doing very good. Rajvi Nikhare, Rajvi Lahoti. Tej Kumar, Viva, lower down your hands. Aradhya, lower down your hand.
Ma'am, my hand raise button is not working. I cannot see my hand is raised or not.
You cannot see.
Yes.
You are attending from mobile.
No, ma'am, in tablet.
Okay. Can I raise now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now we will do subtraction.
Now we will do subtraction. Subtract the following. Subtract the fractions. You can see here also the denominator is same.
Then may I say the first answer?
Hmm.
First. So, ma'am, the answer will be ma'am 14/3.
I will give you award on this. You have done many sums practice. Still, you are saying 14/3 is the answer.
I'm sorry,
Ma'am,
ma'am. I didn't say 3/3.
3/14. 5/17 minus 3/17. We give Niva. Niva.
Ma'am,
Yes, Niva.
2/17.
Yes. Please write 21/23 minus 10/23.
I can say, ma'am.
Yes, Lahoti, give me answer.
11/23.
Hmm. Please do this.
Ma'am, finish.
Then
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Can I raise?
No, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Do it fast. Again, I repeat, please attend your PTM according to the time slot and according to the classroom which is given to you. Please check your PTM sheet once you come in the PTM. Please check your name, check your date, which date is your PTM, check your timings, as well as check which classroom you have to go for the PTM, whether you have to go in the grade 4C classroom or grade 4 activity room. Right? When you see your list, it is given clearly that which child has to go in which room for the PTM. There are two rooms created for the PTM. One is the activity room and the another is your classroom. So you check which room you got in your list. Am I clear with everyone?
Yes.
Any confusion with the timings? Any confusion with the
Ma'am.
PTM dates? Lahoti, I will answer you. Any confusion with the timings, any confusion with the your dates of the PTM and which room you have to come for the PTM, any confusion till now to any child?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it is starting from today. Take a note of it. Please refer the PTM sheet after the class. There is no HRM and no reading slot from today till the 22nd of the October. Clear? Because PTM is going to start from 12:30. Yes, Tajvi Lahoti, now you speak, bacha.
Ma'am, all the class teacher are there.
Yeah, all the subject teachers are there.
No.
Class teacher is the only one class teacher, no? Which is Sujata ma'am. All
No,
the,
ma'am.
along with the class teacher. Hmm. Vishuddh, Vihan, can you mute yourself, please? Along with the class teacher, all the subject teachers will also be there in the PTM. Okay? Any confusion? Someone was telling ma'am to me. Can I go continue with my topics now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vihan, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, addition is left.
So I can write any sum of addition because mine
Any
was
sum, you can write any digits of.
And
Remember,
equal-
but numerator should be denominator should be same. You can write any sum and do the practice.
okay.
Now we are doing. Take out your page number 104 or 5 it is. 103. Page number 103. Down half and quarter of a meter. We are going to learn how to find half, how to find the quarter of any number, how to find the 2/3, 3/4, 1/4. Mute yourself, Moksh. You know half of any number. Suppose 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. If I say, what is the half of 1 meter? So half of 1 meter equals to, Tej Kumar, how many centimeters half of 1 meter?
500 centimeter.
हाँ 500. 1000 का हाफ थोड़ी निकाल रहे हो. 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर.
Name of
100 का हाफ निकालना है आपको.
100.
Yes, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So if I'm asking, what is the half of a meter?
50 centimeter.
Yes, half of a meter is 50 centimeter. So how you calculated? There is one more method. I'm giving you two methods. Please pay attention here. Don't write right now. Once I will clear with the explanation, I will give you time to write. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now I am asking, what is the half of a meter? Half of a meter I will write, or I will write half meter equals to dash centimeter. So if you say half meter equals to how many centimeter, so what you will do, you will divide the 100 with the 2. Whenever we find the half of any number, we always divide it by 2, we will get the answer. What is the half of 18?
6.
9.
Tej Kumar, which
Ma'am,
mental maths you are doing?
Ma'am, I said 6.
6 का डबल 12 होता है बच्चा, और 12 का हाफ होता है 6.
Ma'am, 8.
What is the half of 18? Manya?
9.
9. What is the half of 22? Rajvi Nikhare? Because from the beginning he is eating pan only, because he maybe not had his breakfast. What is the half of 22? So mic come nahi, mic is not working.
No, ma'am, his mic is not working.
Huh. What is the half of 24?
Ma'am, 12.
Very good. I can really appreciate Kevyan giving the answers by himself. So half of any number when you do, you have to divide it by 2.
5.
Now, this is clear to you?
Yes.
What you are asking, Vishnu?
Ma'am, you were asking that. Ma'am, I have a doubt. That addition and subtraction one of fraction. Can you clear it to me at last?
Addition, addition means if I say 3.5 plus 2.5, add them. The parts are equal parts. You do not touch the equal parts. So what is the total? Sorry, I will take 1 here. So you will say 4/5 is the answer. Only add the numerators. You are not going to add the denominators. Take the common denominator.
So I have taken 5 upon 1, and then my upon
5/1 will be wrong. 5/1 read कर रहे तो आप ऐसा लिख रहे हैं. 5/1 upon के बाद नीचे लिख रहे तो it will be like this. So the way you read the same way. So you say 1/5.
1/5 minus 4/5.
1/5 में से 4/5 माइनस कैसे कर सकते हो बच्चे?
So we have to take only one number, or we can take another number also.
Denominator should be same, and take from the bigger numerator only. You can easily subtract, no? Right?
Yes, ma'am. So first one is 4/5, and second is 1/5.
Yeah. Then only possible to subtract.
Equals to 3/5.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
I understood. Clear.
Okay. So this one, which is the new topic, I'm explaining the half of, the 3/4 of, the 2/3 of. It's bit difficult. Please pay attention here. Right? Half of any number divided with this. So I'm asking, what is the half of a meter? And 1 meter, you all know, 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters ka half is 50 centimeter. Same way, if I ask what is the 1/4 of a meter, now divide this. When you are finding the 1/4 of any number, so always divide that number with the 4. So 1/4 of a meter means 1/4 of 100 centimeters. 1/4 of a meter is 100 centimeters. So find the 1/4. 100 divided by 4. When you are finding the 1/4, what are you doing, Viva? Can I come and also want to take the this air from this fan? Please keep this aside and play this with this fan later on.
When there's no electricity in home.
So better you keep that fan near somewhere, no? At the proper space and proper distance, so that you will not get disturbed from that. So whenever you are finding the 1/4 of anything, right now you are finding the 1/4 of the 100 centimeter. So what is the 1/4 of 100 centimeter? Divided by 4. Divide the 100 by 4 and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 25 meter.
25 centimeter.
Centimeter.
100 divided by 4 gives you the 25 centimeter. Now comes the 3/4 of a meter, which is 3/4 of the 100 centimeter is equals to. I am writing in this way. Why I have changed the language? Because here I am going to explain you something. That's why I have written. You can write it in the same way also. But here I am going to explain you in more detail the concept. So that's why I have written here like this.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, we have to write it in notebook.
Yes, write all this in the notebook now. 3/4 of 100. Now, how to find the 3/4 of 100? Earlier, it was easy to divide it by 2, divided by 4. But here also we can divide the 100 by 4. But what about the 3? Earlier, it was 1 only. But here, now it's 3. What do we have to do with this 3? Now, please pay attention, which is this little difficult. So, pay attention here, everyone. So, when off is coming in the mathematical term, it means the multiplication. We put the multiplication sign. Now we have to find out what is the 3/4 of the 100, whether it can be 100 centimeters, it can be 100 rupees, it can be 100 kg. What is the 3/4 of that? So if we are finding the 3/4 of 100 centimeters, what you need to do is, numerator is 100, nothing is there in the denominator, put the 1 there. ये एक रूल है, कुछ नहीं हुआ है तो हमें 1 लगा देना है. Clear? Now what you have to do, multiplication sign is there. So are you clear? We have to multiply here. है ना? ये तो दिख रहा है. अब किसको किससे multiply करना है? जो numerator है उसको numerator से, जो denominator है उसको denominator से. So क्या आएगा multiply करने के बाद? 3 multiplied by 100 is what?
Ma'am, 300/5.
Plus कर रहे हो आप तो बेटा, multiply करना है.
Upon 4.
300/4.
4 into 1 is 4. जब आपको सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन ने आपको उसको सॉल्व कर दिया, नाउ ये लाइन जो होती है वो हमेशा डिवाइड की लाइन होती है बच्चा. वी आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग फ्रैक्शन. डिवाइड इट 300 by the 4 and get the answer.
Ma'am, the answer.
Ma'am, we have to write this multiply 1 also, na?
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer will be 75
The answer will be 75.
centimeter.
75 centimeter. Now, if I give you, find the 2/3 of 1000. निकालो. Find out fast. 2/3 of 1000 with the same method. Of हटा के multiply लगाओ. डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं है, 1 लगाओ. मल्टीप्लाई का साइन है तो मल्टीप्लाई करो. न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से,
Ma'am?
डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से.
Like this.
Yes, write this.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
we have written a 75 centimeter. Then we have to write after 300
You
upon
can write
4.
with this.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, after.
after that. Here also you can write 75 centimeter. Find this one now. 2/3 of 1000. Find 2/3 of 1000. 3/4 of 1000.
Ma'am, we have to write this 1001.
Huh? Write and solve also and give me the answers. Solve in this way. ये वाला method जो last method मैंने सिखाया उस method से solve करो इन दोनों sums.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I see the both answer?
No. Let everyone complete. If
Okay.
I'll get both the answers from you only, then they will not practice. Better you in place of 2/3 no do 2/5. 2/3 में आपको थोड़ा सा confusion हो सकता है. Find 2/5.
Ma'am, but now I have written about 2/3.
That you can do later on also. उसमें point में decimals में answer आएगा. बच्चा decimals create a difficulty for you. So better that do it in this way. In this sum. Cut it and do it again. Two-fifth of 1000. 3/4 of 1000. 3/4 of 1000. Yes.
Ma'am, 7,000?
किसका?
No, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am. It was a wrong answer.
Yes. 1000 rupees you have, and if you give 2/5 part of the 1000, you cannot give more than the 1000. No. 1000 से ज्यादा तो होगा ही नहीं वो. 2/5 part है, which is naturally less than the 1000. It can relate with the rupees. It can be relate with the kgs. It can be relate with anything. But
Ma'am, it is 800.
it is 800.
Ma'am, it is
76
Ma'am, it is 750.
Let me do.
Ma'am, 76 centimeter.
Ma'am,
No.
76
750.
No. 750 of this one or this one?
Ma'am, the 3/4 one has 700.
Second one.
Second one is
3/4.
750.
Ma'am, 3/4 will be 750 answer.
Ma'am, 251 will be
And 3/4 we have learned, Manya, we have learned
7.
also that, Tej Kumar, wait. We have learned also how to read the fraction. 3/4. We have learned now how to read the fraction. I've given you a worksheet also. That 1/2 is half, 1/3 is 1/3, 2/5 is 2/5. We have learned now. So you are reading it's 3/4. It is 3/4.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, the another child, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, 2/5 answer is 760
No,
or 76.
no.
Ma'am, may I tell the first one? It is 840.
No.
Ma'am, 800. 640. 640.
No.
Ma'am, 400.
Answer is 400. How? Simple method. Put the 1. Multiply the numerator with the numerators. 2000. 2 into 1000 is 2000. 5 into 1 is 5. Divide it. Divide the 2000 by 5. You will get 400.
Hello, ma'am. If we 5 4s are the it is
I was close.
zeros,
I
we
was
will
close.
take them up, so it will be 400.
5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. And if you have this much mental math,
I was
very
really
good.
close.
Ma'am, attendance.
Ma'am, I was really close. I said 40. 440. I said I was close.
Because you children are just guessing the answer, not learning the concept.
No, I did in the revision in a rough book. Then I thought it is 440.
Okay, done everyone? Okay. You have learned how to find this way. Okay, now take out your page number. It is page number 106.
Ma'am, I'm doing the last one.
You have noted the sum, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Before doing the 106, I'll give you one good. We are going to do the some exercise now. Practical, then you will learn, you will enjoy it. Okay, come on the page number 102. This page number 102, do it in the textbook only. Textbook. Question number D. Question number D is saying color half the number of shapes as shown here. First one is already done for you. Half means if 8, color 4. If 12, color 6. If 18, color 9. Half of any number, divide the number by 2. So how many circles are there? First one is already done because first one is there are 8 total pictures and they have color 4. Any 4 they have color, right? It is not a sequence that which 4 you have to color, any 4. How many circles are there?
80.
18. So how many circles you will color? Half circles color karne hai aapko. 9. So 9 circles, any 9 circles, color them with the pencil, or if you have a crayon near to you, color them with the crayon. Go to the next picture. The flowers are there. How many flowers are there?
Ma'am, 10.
So how many you are going to
Ma'am,
color?
how many we have to color in the circle?
How you are going to color?
How many in the circle?
How many are there? How many are there, bacha? Count them. How many are there?
18. So it will be 9 na.
Yes. Any 9 circles you can color. Go to the E question. 1/4. There are 4 pictures. 1/4 of 4 means one picture you have to color. Na? I have told you now how to find the 1/4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So when you divide 4 with the 4, one picture you need to color. Whenever you find the 1/4 of any number, you have to divide it by 4. So in the next leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves are there. So how many leaves you will color, students? 2. 8 divided by 4, 2. And in the next cubes are there. How many cubes are there?
4. 1.
4 cubes are there. So you are going to color 1. Yes.
1.
Come down on the question number F. Match. One picture is given and there are 2 shaded part out of the total part. If you write the fraction of that, how you will write, beta? I will draw a circle. I will not able to draw that figure. It is an hexagon, right?
Hello, ma'am. How it will be 2 in
It is octagon. Huh?
How will be 2 in 8th one?
Eighth one. There are 4 pictures, no cubes.
No, he is saying 6 dead leaves.
The leaves one.
Yes, ma'am.
How many leaves are there total?
8.
What is the 1/4 of 8?
Okay, ma'am. 2 half of the half.
That logic, you can apply any of the logic when you're perfect in the concept. Okay, so in the picture, 2 parts are color. So I can say out of the total 4 parts, 2 are color. I can say this is, and I can say this picture represent the half also, because half picture is color. So that is why one matching is already done, which is half. Second picture is one part is color out of total 4 parts. So what is the fraction for that picture?
Quarter.
So what is the fraction? Which fraction is the quarter one? तो आपको है ना क्वार्टर भी जाना है, ऊपर क्वार्टर है, and then 1/4 is down. So come on the 1/4 also down. So this way you need to match. Go to the quarter first because word भी match करना है, fraction भी match करना है. Go to the quarter first, then come to the 1/4. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes. Ma'am, I have completed.
Then the third picture, all 4s are clear, covered. So
Whole.
what is this? Whole.
Upon 4.
And then you go to the 4/4.
Second
And in
one,
the last one,
3 quarters.
3
3/4.
quarters.
So go to the 3/4 and go to the 3/4. Clear? Done, everyone?
Yes.
I will ask 1 or 2 questions from the page number 106 and then you can do after the class. There are 60 mangoes. Half of them are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe? What is the half of 60?
30.
30.
These are the story problems. Solve it in the notebook after the class. There are Dhyan Patel, mute yourself, please. There are 32 children. Half of them are girls. How many are girls? What is the half of 32?
12.
16. 16.
16.
Half of any number divided by 2 and get the answer. So 16 are the girls. So how many are the boys, students?
60.
Yes. Total was 32. Half are girls, which is 16. So remaining are the boys, which are also 16. Clear? There are 20 stars.
Ma'am, on page number
106. There are 20 stars. Quarter of them are red. Quarter means what, students?
1/4.
1/4. So what is the quarter of 20?
5.
5.
So 5 are red. How many are red? So you say 5 are red. How many are not red?
10.
20 was the total. 5 are red.
15.
And 2 are red. And means that fraction is wrong.
Can I
Because
speak
there are
better, Vihan Dobaria? There are total 20 stars. Quarter of 20 is 5. You all told me 5 are red and the remaining are not red. So 20 minus 5 is 15, which are not red. Clear?
Then also I am not understanding.
Yes,
Then also not understand.
Yes.
Then I will explain you in the next class.
Okay.
Okay, because we need to end up the class now.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye, ma'am.
thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.